Zug Fantasy Football, Week 6, presented by me, Brad Pointer. This week, we had, topping the list, we have Bill's Squirrels coming after me and the Hillbilly Apocalypse. He defeated me with a score of 219.1 to 157.5. I thought that I had him, but then Aaron Rodgers, throwing the football 6 times into touchdownness. God, killer. Blech. I'm going to smack him. Anyway, next. Oh, but he defeated me 157 to 219.1 to 157.5. He whooped my ass. Then the next highest score was the Foy, and his big TDs give me a boner. But actually, I think that they give him a boner. But anyway, he was up against Zothos Xylophones, which, yeah, I don't even know. Anyway, dude, the Foy beat him 178.6 to 159.7. Quite possibly the lowest score that Zothos has made this year, and it was all due to him sucking. Okay, yeah, that's going to be good enough. Then we have Ditda's Defenders versus Drucifer's Hellfire Club. Holy crap. Oh, Didda defeated him, beat him like a little devil-headed stepchild. 164.1 to 136.3. Drucifer was talking a marginal amount of smack in the little smack talk area, and this led to his defeat after Peyton Manning came back from, like woke up and smoked some crack at halftime or something and just totally annihilated whoever they were playing, some team. He was throwing the damn football. I don't know. Anyway. Oh my God. That's the bat phone. I gotta go.